Hi everyone, welcome to our resourceful home. Today I will be trying a second recipe for Sriracha sauce, this time fermented. If you're interested in how I do this, I would love for you to follow along. Safety first. Please wear gloves when dealing with hot peppers. They can be very painful. I am going to be using the same exact ingredients as I did for the first Sriracha recipe, simply because I want to know the difference in taste between the fermented and the unfermented. So we have 7 dragon peppers, 1 sweet red bell pepper, 5 cloves of garlic, 3 medium heat guajillo peppers. These are dehydrated, so I will place those in boiling water after I remove the caps and seeds. Removing the seeds from the peppers is completely optional. If you want the extra heat, feel free to leave those in. I will place the dehydrated peppers into a bowl and cover with boiling water. Place a lid or a plate on top of the bowl and set it aside for at least 20 minutes. In the meantime, I will prep the rest of my ingredients. Now that I have my peppers and garlic chopped up, they will go straight into the food processor, so they don't have to be very small. You could also use a blender for this. Next, I will add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And puree. Now it is time to put our pepper mash into a sterilized jar. I have my pepper mash in a jar with a paper towel across the top so it can still get air, but nothing else can get in, and a ring. I will store this in a dark, cool cabinet for at least 7 days, maybe more. Take it out at least once a day and stir it up with a non-reactive utensil. After 4 weeks of fermentation and stirring daily, the pepper mash is now ready to be made into sriracha and a bonus of pepper relish. This stuff smells amazing. Now it's time to place the pepper mash into a food processor or blender, your preference. I will now take 1 cup of white vinegar and pour it into my jar. Swish it around and get as much of the pepper mash as I can, and then pour it into the food processor as well. And to puree, I am adding another half a cup of white vinegar and pureeing again. Now I will pour small amounts of this at a time into a fine mesh strainer over a large bowl and take a rubber spatula and start working it through. I do mash down as much as possible with this type of strainer. I take my time and work as much as I possibly can through the strainer. Then I take a clean spatula and scrape the bottom of the strainer to get what's on the outside. This also helps to clean the holes out, so I then go back and mash down again to see if I can get any more of it. Next, I will take the pepper mash that remains in the strainer and scrape it out and place it aside in the jar. And I will repeat this process until I've strained all of the puree. I have the liquid in a bowl and all of the pepper mash in a jar to become a delicious pepper relish. I now have all the pepper mash strained, and here is my sriracha. Now is a good time to taste test. See if you would like it a little more sweet, add a little more sugar, or maybe a little more vinegar, which is what I'm doing here. Taste test again, and that is perfect. Now the pepper mash. All I will do with it is add enough white vinegar to cover and stir it up and put a lid on it, and it's ready to go. This stuff is good in anything that you would like a pepper relish in. We love it in scrambled eggs, beans, all sorts of things. Give it a try. And there we have it, fermented sriracha and pepper relish. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comment section. Come back and see us again soon. Hope you have a fantastic day. May God bless you.